Munene wa ukunikili maunduni Useseei NIS Noordin Haji niwatula muti nzama ya Mbunge ya muuo wa nthi kwa kuendeea kulea kukitia kwongelwa kwa bajeti ya mivia ya Useseei na kutuma Useseei wa nthi ya Kenya uendeea na kutweka. Benjamin Mwaka ukueleza.
Munene wa ukunikili na simbirisi mwana Useseei NIS Noordin Haji no kuna musomo nzama ya Mbunge ya muuo wa nthi na maundu ma nthi cianza kwa kuthisia ukulwa kwongelwa kwa budget ya NIS famwe na ita iweto thukumi na mwaluku ala mendekana ngavani ile Useseei ni mwingi no ngina Mbunge vya budget ite uselesia kuola kana kumitlanga kila ivinda.
There is no amount of money that is enough at the moment to ensure that as Kenya we are able to safeguard ourselves from the rear, from the front, from the top. We are facing threats from each and every neighbor that we have, except maybe from Tanzania. Every other one, there are threats. If you look at Uganda, you have the Karamajogs, you have the different tribes coming into Kenya to undertake cattle rustling. They have encroached in some of our lands and our territory. In South Sudan, the insecurity that is there, the proliferation of small arms, every other day we have to face that. In Ethiopia, as you know, there is the Oromo Liberation Army. They are occupying part of our territory, and we are forced to deal with them. But if you look at the kind of equipment that we have as a security sector, it is really wanting. And I think as a country we need to decide whether we are serious and whether we want to ensure that we are giving the security that Kenyans deserve.
Noordin weto Useseei wa nthi niwo oyue muisioni ni kwithwa mivaka ya nthi ni mionzu kwa nthi syonthe cielembeta ya Africa milioni wasua weta no Tanzania yekava ki muuo wa mivakani.
The current threat environment we are facing, honorable members, is very dire. A lot of people in Kenya do not seem to understand that apart from Al-Shabaab, we have more than 5 other countries that have been destabilized, and those threats are not going to go anywhere else other than in Kenya. And the current security posture that we are facing is very dire. It is wanting, and to be frank, there is much more that we need to do. So there is no amount of money at the moment that we can say is enough. And I'm telling you, for example, the military, for the last 10 years, they have not been getting the requisite equipment. They don't have equipment. And I don't know how else we are going to emphasize this. We really need, and this sector really needs to be looked at very carefully. Otherwise, we are not going to be able to enjoy the freedoms and rights that we have. Thank you.
Like you rightly mentioned that you're a bit emotional because you've been confronted by the situation as is along our borders. But I will suggest that we calm down and then restrict this discussion today to the National Intelligence Service.
Honorable Chair, I will try to restrict, but we are hand and glove. We are hand and glove. And I am appealing to you as a committee, please help us.
Vaumbeni PS muvia no muuo wa nthi Dr. Patrick Mariru na munini wa munene wa ita Lieutenant General John Omenda ni maithiie Mbunge muno imanenge mpesa cia kuyana no kana kuosa makulutu maingi mbe wa mwe wa mwanza kuvika maiweta vakuvi miaka 5 mbitu vaingosani wekitumi wa twaiwa.
And you may reach a scenario whereby now the older ones need to move out and there is nobody to replace, and it can chaos. So recruitment is very critical. We cannot afford to do, despite the fact that it also gives a room to expand or add the numbers because we continuously expand, but also to replace the retired, or those who have gone out due to other circumstances.
You know, we would want you to recruit because this is direct jobs to our people and of course also for the security of the nation.
Vilengwa mauvo kumavamu sinilovi nyanita wa Benjamin Mwaka.